Alright, let's look at how to draw this link mechanism. Alright, now to draw this link mechanism, let's take note of the dimension givens and uh, what the equation actually means. Now it says OA revolves about O, B slides along CO, plot the locus, of P. Alright, here is OA, it revolves around O. Now, and AB, that is point B, slides along CO. So now we're now told that this point P at line AB, now when it moves at different points, now at different point of revolution, what where at this point, now what curve will it form? That is at different point of revolution, what curve is this point B, which is 40 away from point B, that slides horizontally along line CO. So now we want to plot the locus of this point, that is the different position of this point as it revolves around point O. So let's do that. Now it's given that the the radius is 44 millimeter. I open my compass to 44. Okay, so I'm going. Okay, before that, let me pull my center and horizontal line. So this is my compass open to 44. So I'm going to put at the center. Then I'll draw my circle. So I haven't done that. Now I'm going to locate my OA, which is 30 degree. This is my line OA is 30 degrees with the vertical line, which I'm going to use my set square this way. So here is O and this point is A. Good. So I haven't done that. I'm going to open my compass to line AB, which is 95. So I put it at this point A. Now mark this side. The point of here, I will label it as C according to the mechanism. So now I'll join from that point to from point A to C. Good. So now here we go. Now the mechanism, that is now point P is 40 millimeter away from point B. Now this is my point B. Here's point B. Why this line to here is this line CO. So now I'll open this one. This is my compass to 40. Now this one is already 95. So I'll put it at here. Now mark. Wait, I haven't done that. So this is my point P. So now Here we have point P. Now, when it's at this point, so this is the point P. So now let's now see in different position where point P will be. They will now draw the circle, the curve, which we refer to as link mechanism. So now I'm going to divide my circle into 12 equal parts. Sorry. So remember the angle here is 30 degree. So each at every point is also the angle between 2 points is going to be 30 degree. All right, here we go. Let me label this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now let's now point. Let's now construct the different point at which P will be. Different point of P. So this is my 95. I'll put it at this next line. I'll mark this point. Then I'll draw my from that part. I'll draw a straight line. Good. Then here is this one is open to 40. I'll put it here and mark. This is another point P. So the same thing again. I'll put at this point. Um, I'll mark. Join the 2 points. Then I'll use this to mark point 40. Another point. So I'll keep going. I'll put at the next point. I'll mark. Then join. And I'll mark another point P. Then next is from here. This forms an horizontal line. So I'll put it at where it cut it. Then another point here. So here we go. Now this one will form the same point with 5. So I will join. I'll mark point 40. Here's another point. So the same thing goes for here. I'll join. Yeah, over my point 40. Then for this part also, I'm going to join mark point 40. Here we go. Mark point 40. Sorry. Then okay, we've done for 10. Now for 11. This here we have point 11. Need to extend this one. See who. So I'll mark. Okay. I'll join from point 11 to here. Then I'll mark point 40. Next is from point 12, which is on the straight line. So I'll mark 40. Okay. Now point 1. I'll mark my 40. Here we go. So and that is all. That's the last point. So what we now do is to take our French curve and join all these points together with a French curve, and the curve we have forms the link mechanism. So now let's now join with our French curve. So now we are joining the curves. Now you try and check all the curves you have to see the one that perfectly fits, that carries 3 points at the same time. Now like this, now this will carry these 3 points at the same time. Alright. So turn it like that to this other side to pick it. Okay. I've picked that. We look at the next three again, which is this one and this one. Okay, I think this works. Okay, let's do that on this part too. Okay, it works. Good. Then let's see if okay. Okay, think I think this will work. Okay, then we turn it to this other side. Okay, good. So here is our curve. Here is our curve, and that is, here we go. This is the final work. Here is the curve, the perfect curve for it. So please, now following is some questions in objective question in objective forms that we can practice and have a perfect understanding. Thank you. Remember I said this point OA revolves about point O, then point B, that is where this line A touches this CO. Now CO is a rigid point, CO is a rigid line, and A to B slides on it, while O to A revolves around point O. Thank you.